Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the Ikago, and it is the Heat Coaster Pro, the full set. We're gonna check this thing out here and give this a go. So let's put that there. I'll open it up here. Let me aim you guys down a little so you guys can see what it is I am opening here as I open it. So here we go. So here's some of the instructions here for putting the carafe on it. And we got in here, we have it's really cool boxing here, but let's see. So here, this is going to be the heating device. So it comes with the plug and the heating pad. And then we have a plus and minus. And it looks like it's got a little eye, which probably lets us know whether it is, whether there's a cup there or not. So we'll have that and that. And then also in this box, we have, it looks like it's going to be a spoon. Let's check this out. A little metal spoon, a little stirring spoon, very cool. And the next piece we have here, I'm gonna guess this is gonna be our mug. And indeed it is. So, with the little logo on it as well, 100% handmade, really nice ceramic mug, and you can see it's really shiny and good. It's got the Ikago logo on it, so that'll be there. Let's see, what is this here? This is a lid. So we have a little lid for our cup. So I guess as we're heating it, we can keep it closed. So let's plug this thing in and see what we got here. Let me move this over. I'll just open this up. I don't know, can I reach from here? I can. So there we go. So now I'm reaching over there. Let me fill this up with some water. And let's see what happens when we put it in there. Looks like we have a power button. I don't know. Oh, you guys can't see. I don't know if I can zoom from here. Yes, I can. Okay, so here we go. We have a little power button on the side there. And then we have our temperature settings here. So right now it's at 72 and I have it set for 150. So it should be heating up. I probably need to take this little tag off here so it doesn't burn. There we go. So let's see if we're doing it right. Let me look at some more instructions here as we're going. And here are the instructions. It says, please do not use glass or quartz as the IR detectors may not recognize the glass cups. So I guess you want to have to use a cup that's got some darkness to it. And here's all the different settings here. We have the power button, which we figured out on the side. Thermostat buttons here, which are the plus and minus. We have our display panel, which obviously we saw. Our probe window is number 4. I guess that's where it's looking to see there. The IR receiver is number 5.1. I'm not sure where. 5.2. Oh, 5.1 is on that side as well. So that's where it's getting the temperature back, and the emitter is on the back. On the back, there's a little emitter, the heating area, and the card and plug. So there we go. So we have everything in there, and it should be heating up now. If you look at it, we're already at 82. So it is heating up. We started off, we were at 76, and now we are at 82. What a cool little device. Oh man, I can feel it. Ow! It is hot. It's really, really hot. You don't want to touch this thing while it's going. So let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, it's heating up. So really cool. So it's okay. So I'm gonna just zoom back out here so you can see me and it at the same time. But that's a really cool device. So this would be really great for like an office or something where you want to keep your coffee warm or something. You can just put this on your desk and you're just gonna keep it warm all day while it's cooking away in here. Or you can make tea or anything while you're there, and you even have a little spoon. So this is a great little device. And then watch as I take this off, off the surface, so it's going to stop cooking it. So there we go, and there it is to cooking again. So if you need a sweet looking, I mean this looks really futuristic and awesome. If you need something like that looks good to keep your coffee or soup or hot chocolate warm, I mean pick up one of these things. It's super cool looking. Thumbs up.